Hi, this is Raji. If you are not willing to be a fool, you can't become a master. It's the quote by author Jordan Peterson. So today's topic is about don't be afraid to look like fool. This episode is about not being afraid to start from the beginning. As Jordan Peterson states, the only way to become a master is to first be the fool. The road to excellence is a humbling one, but worth it in the end, of course, yes. I heard a quote once that went something like this: a man dancing to the music looks like a fool to the deaf man. It took me a moment to process the idea, but then it came clear to me if someone is looking at what you do from a different lens than you may look foolish to them. Of course, yes. If you want to be successful, don't be afraid to look like foolish. Do you have dreams? Is there something you really want to accomplish? Here's a simple fact and thoughts. Most people don't think as you do. Researchers shows that 80% of people in America don't have big dreams. They don't think about doing things differently. So the majority of people in the world don't look through the lens of an entrepreneur, a problem solver, or a big idea maker. So when you talk about big ideas, you sound foolish to them. Therefore, I have some simple advice and thoughts for you all. If you want to pursue your dream, you are going to look foolish to them. So here's a key to success. Let me repeat it. Don't be afraid to look foolish. Looking foolish is not fun. To look foolish could be an embarrassment if my idea doesn't pan out. You might be thinking that you don't want to be made fun of. You don't want people pointing their fingers at you and saying, "Can you believe what he did?" But here's a simple fact: almost every great entrepreneur, almost every great inventor, almost every creative mind look foolish at some point. Do you want to be seen as an innovator? Are your goals based on the idea that you are going to bring something new, different, or innovative to solve a problem in the market? If this sounds like you, be prepared to be called foolish or crazy. That's okay. It just goes with the territory. Don't be afraid to look foolish. It fits you. Apple selling iPhones seemed crazy. Personal computers seemed crazy once a time. Anytime you break with cultural or business norms and try something different, you will be considered foolish by some people. This is especially true in the South and the Midwest portions of the United States, and of course in through all the world. We find that attitudes are different here in flyover country. On the coast, people are much more comfortable in taking risk. But in these parts of the country, taking risk is often considered reckless and dangerous. Looking foolish doesn't sound like a compliment. If I walked up to you at a meeting and said, "You look foolish," you would be pretty upset with me. But true innovators look foolish when they start out. Do you have ideas? Do you have dreams that could change the game? Then don't be afraid to look foolish and make a difference. Thank you. Thank you so much.